Hello students. Next point is definition of shortest spanning tree. Spanning tree with minimum weight is called as shortest spanning tree. Connected weighted graph can have more than one spanning trees. Using Kruskal's algorithm, we can solve our problem to find shortest spanning tree. Kruskal's algorithm, there are 5 steps. In step first, consider given connected weighted graph on n vertices. Step second, find increasing sequence of weights of all edges of G, say W1, W2, W3 and so on Wm. Step 3, select edge EI of minimum weight W1 which is not loop. Step 4, suppose the edge E1, E2 and so on EI have been chosen, then choose next edge EI plus 1 such that EI plus 1 is not equal to EK where K running from 1 to and so on I. Induced subgraph G of E1, E2 and so on EI plus 1 not contain circuit. And in step C, W of EI plus 1 is of the smallest weight satisfying A, B. And in step 5, stop if n minus 1 edges have been chosen, else continue step 4. Now, next example on the Kruskal's algorithm to find minimum weighted spanning tree. Find shortest spanning tree of the following graph. Find minimum weighted spanning tree in a graph. First, this is the given graph. Now you can see that there is 6 number of vertices. So spanning tree content must be 6 minus 1 is equal to 5 edges. Now first collect all edges with weight. Solution. First of all, total number of vertices is equal to 6. So we stop the process at n minus 1 is equal to 6 minus 1 is equal to 5 edges. Why we stop the process at n minus 1? Because spanning tree contain if n vertices, so it contains n minus 1 edges. That's why here we stop the process at n minus 1, means 6 minus 1. Now collect all edges with weight. Here first of all edge and then weight. There are 10 number of edges: E1, E2, E3, E4, E5, E6, E7, E8, E9 and E10. Now E1 has weight 3, E2 has 11, E3 has 3, E4 has 8, E5 has 9, E6 has 11, E7 has 9, E8 has 6, E9 has 5, E10 has 8. 3, 11, 3, 8, 9, 11, 9, 6, 5, 8. Now in non-decreasing weight means increasing weight. So first of all take weight with increasing. Here minimum weight all of these 3, 3, so 3, 3, and edge of this weight is nothing but the E1, E3. Next minimum weight which is more than 3 is nothing but the 5, so E9. Okay. Next 6 which is nothing but the E8. Next 5 6 8, nothing but the E10. Next here 3 3 complete. Next 5 is complete, 6 is complete, 8 is complete. Here also 8, E4 has 8, so 8 complete. Next 9 9 9 9, E5 E7, E5 E7 complete. Okay, next 11 11, E2 has 11 and E6 has 11. Check it. These are the 10 edges, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, now first of all put the vertices of this graph. Put the vertices of this graph A, B, C, D, E, F. Now take a minimum weight of edges, here 3. So first E1 edge with weight 3. Now next minimum weight 3, E3. Here E3. So put E3 3. Next minimum weight E9. E9 is here with weight 5. So E9 with 5. Next 6 means E8, but here you can see that E3, E9, E8 make circuits, so here we neglect E8. So here we can't choose E8 because it make a circuit, so we can't choose E8. Next E10 with with weight 8. E10 with 8. Now next E4 with weight 8, but when we choose E4 it become a circuit. Okay, E4 is here, it become a circuit, so we can't choose E4. Next minimum 9, E5. Where is E5? Here. So we choose E5 with 9. Now you can see that there is 6 number of vertices, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and here how many edges we collect? 1 2 3 4 5. So spanning tree is complete here. That's why here we stop. So total weight of this spanning tree is nothing but the weight of these edges of the spanning trees, 3 plus 3 plus 5 plus 8 plus 9, which is equal to 28. Now next point, आपण काय केलं, ग्राफ जो दिलेला होता तो ग्राफ घेतला, त्याच्यामध्ये व्हर्टेक्स किती आहे? 6 आहे. तर स्पॅनिंग ट्री किती कंटेन करणार? एजेस 5, कारण 6 व्हर्टेक्स आहे, मीन्स 6 - 1 इज इक्वल टू 5. तर आपण अगोदर काय घेतलं? वेट आणि एजेस कलेक्ट केल्या, त्यांचे वेट घेतले, त्यानंतर आपण ते इन्क्रीजिंग ऑर्डरनी राईट केले. त्यानंतर आधी आपण व्हर्टेक्स पुट केले ग्राफचे, जसे ग्राफमध्ये दिले तसे, आणि मिनिमम वेट चूज केलं. मिनिमम वेट चूज केल्यानंतर आपण एजेस पुट केल्या. आपण काही काही एजेस निग्लेक्ट केल्या कारण ते सर्किट तयार करतात त्याच्यामुळे, आणि त्याच्यानंतर आपण बघितलं की 5 नंबर ऑफ एजेस झालेले आहेत आपल्या आणि 6 नंबर ऑफ व्हर्टेक्सचे, म्हणून आपण इथं स्टॉप केलं, पुढं काही गेलो नाही. सो टोटल वेट ऑफ दिस स्पॅनिंग ट्री इज नथिंग बट दी 28. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज युअर होमवर्क. use Kruskals algorithm to find minimum weighted spanning tree in the following graph. This is your graph, and find this spanning tree with minimum weight with using or by using Kruskals algorithm. Now next point, binary tree. A tree in which exactly one vertex is distinguishable from all their vertices is called rooted tree. Such a particular vertex is called the root of that tree. Binary tree is special case of rooted tree. Next definition, binary rooted tree. A tree in which exactly one vertex is of degree 2 and remaining vertices are of degree 3 or 1 is called binary rooted tree. For example, this is your root and it has degree 2, 1, 2, and all other vertices has degree 1 or 3. Here you can see that this 2 vertex has degree 3, also this vertex has degree 3, and other remaining vertices has degree 1. Now root, a vertex of degree 2 is called root of that tree. Next, remark, every binary tree has odd number of vertices. Every binary tree has odd number of vertices. Second remark, every binary tree with n vertices has exactly one root, vertex of degree 2 and n plus 1 upon 2 pendant vertices, and n minus 3 upon 2 vertices are of degree 3. Now next example, justify true or false. There exists a binary tree of height 2 on n vertices. Here in remark given, every binary tree has odd number of vertices, and in this example here how many vertices? 8 vertices, and 8 is even. So there does not exist a binary tree of height 2 on 8 vertices by using the remark. So this statement is false. This statement is false because there does not exist binary tree on 8 vertices, because there exist binary tree on odd number of vertices only. Therefore, as it is even, binary tree on 8 vertices does not exist. Okay. Next example is your homework. State true or false with justification. A binary tree with n vertices has n minus 1 upon 2 non-pendant vertices. So answer is true. Justify your answer in your solution. Okay. Hint of this example, this statement is true. Give the justification. Next definition, level of vertex. Definition, let T is a binary tree, R is called level of V, where R is distance of V from the root. That is, level of V is equal to set of R such that R is distance between V and root. Remark, T is a binary rooted tree. Maximum number of vertices at kth level are 2 raised to k. That is, maximum number of vertices in 0th level is equal to 2 raised to 0 is equal to 1. 0th level means where is root exist, there nothing but the 0th level. Now maximum number of vertices in first level is equal to 2 raised to 1 is equal to 2. Maximum number of vertices in kth level is equal to 2 raised to k. Therefore, maximum number of vertices in kth level binary tree is equal to addition of these vertices, all of these vertices, 2 raised to 0 plus 2 raised to 1 plus 2 raised to 2 plus and so on plus 2 raised to k is equal to 2k plus 1. Now, height of binary tree. Definition, the maximum level in a binary tree is known as the height of a binary tree. That is, height of binary tree is equal to maximum set of LV such that LV is the height of vertex V. Maximum height of binary tree with n vertices is equal to n minus 1 upon 2, and minimum height of binary tree with n vertices is equal to log of n plus 1 to the base 2 minus 1 is equal to log of n plus 1 to the base 2 means log of n plus 1 upon log 2 minus 1. Now next example, draw all non-isomorphic binary trees of height 2. Height 2 means 0, 1, 2. There are 3 levels for your consideration. 1. Okay, this is the root, so degree of this vertex has 2. Now you can write this. Also this is one binary tree, also you can show that this is also binary tree. This is the 0th level, this is first level, and this is second level. Similarly 0th level, first level and second level. Next example, draw a binary tree with 7 vertices having minimum height. And here we know that minimum height of binary tree with n vertices is equal to log of n plus 1 to the base 2 minus 1 is equal to log of n plus 1 upon log 2 minus 1. Means minimum height of binary tree with 7 vertices is equal to log of 7 plus 1 to the base 2, because here n is equal to 7. So log of 7 plus 1 to the base 2 minus 1 is equal to log of 7 plus 1 upon log 2 minus 1 is equal to log of 8 upon log 2 minus 1. Means 8 means 2 raised to 3 log of 2 minus 1 is equal to 3 log 2 upon log 2 minus 1. Log 2 get cancel, means 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Means minimum height of binary tree with 7 vertices is nothing but the 2. So this is the root, so degree of this vertex has 2. So this is the 0th level and this is the first level. 3 vertex are already complete, remaining vertex are nothing but the 4. So put here remaining 4 vertex, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this is nothing but the second level. Okay, this is nothing but the binary tree with 7 vertices having minimum height nothing but the 2. Now next example, a tree has 2 vertices of degree 2, 1 vertex of degree 3 and 3 vertices of degree 4. Find number of vertices of degree 1 in the tree. So consider tree having x number of vertices with degree 1. Number of edges is equal to total degree of tree upon 2. Means total degree of tree is equal to number of edges. 2 vertices of degree 2 means 2 into 2, 1 vertex of degree 3 means 1 into 3, 3 vertices of degree 4 means 3 into 4, and here we consider x number of vertices with degree 1 means x into 1. So add these edges, that is nothing but the number of edges. So 2 into 2 plus 1 into 3 plus 3 into 4 plus 1 into x, which is nothing but the 4 plus 3 plus 12 plus 1 into x, which is equal to 19 plus x. So this is our equation number 1. So number of edges is equal to 19 plus x upon 2 by using the equation 1. So total number of vertices is equal to 2 plus 1 plus 3 plus x is equal to 6 plus x, because 2 vertex, 1 vertex, 3 vertex and x vertex. Okay, means 2 plus 1 plus 3 plus x is equal to 6 plus x. We know that tree with n vertices having n minus 1 edges. We know that tree with n vertices having n minus 1 edges. Therefore, number of edges is equal to 6 plus x minus 1 is equal to 5 plus x. So from equation, this is equation 2, total degree of tree, and this is equation 3. So from equation 2 and 3, get 19 plus x upon 2 is equal to 5 plus x, means 19 plus x is equal to 10 plus 2x. Here total degree of tree A, not number of edges. Okay, number of edges is equal to 19 plus x upon 2, and total number of vertices is equal to 6 plus x. Now 19 plus x is equal to 10 plus 2x, means 19 minus 10 is equal to 2x minus x, which implies 9 is equal to x. So there are 9 vertices of degree 1 in the tree. Therefore, there are 9 vertices of degree 1 in the tree. Okay. एक्झाम्पल मध्ये काय होतं, 2 व्हर्टेक्स दिले, त्यांची डिग्री 2 होती, 1 व्हर्टेक्सची डिग्री 3 होती आणि 3 व्हर्टेक्सची डिग्री 4 होती. आपल्याला काय फाइंड करायला सांगितलं होतं की असे किती व्हर्टेक्स आहेत ज्यांची डिग्री 1 आहे ट्रीमध्ये. फर्स्ट आपण कन्सिडर केलं एक्स नंबर ऑफ व्हर्टायसेस विथ डिग्री 1. नेक्स्ट आपल्याकडे फॉर्म्युला आहे, नंबर ऑफ एजेस इज इक्वल टू टोटल डिग्री ऑफ ट्री अपॉन 2 बाय युजिंग दी handshaking lemma. So total degree of tree means 2 into number of edges. Here number of edges is nothing but t, 2 into 2 plus 1 into 3 plus 3 into 4 plus x into 1. So this is nothing but the total degree of tree is equal to 19 plus x. So number of edges, by using this equation, number of edges is equal to 19 plus x upon 2, and total number of vertices is nothing but the 2 plus 1 plus 3 plus x. 2 plus 1 plus 3 plus x is equal to 6 plus x. And we know that tree with n vertices having n minus 1 edges. Here total number of vertex 6 plus x. So number of edges of the tree is nothing but the 6 plus x minus 1, which is equal to 5 plus x. So by using equation 2 and equation 3, number of edges is equal to total degree of tree upon 2, and number of edges is nothing but the 5 plus x is equal to total degree of tree upon 2, 19 plus x upon 2. 19 plus x is equal to 5 plus x into 2. 2 इकडे गेल्यानंतर काय होतं, मल्टिप्लिकेशन, मीन्स 10 plus 2x. 19 minus 10 is equal to 2x minus x, means 9 is equal to x. And here we consider a tree having x number of vertices with degree 1, and here we get x is equal to 9, means there are 9 vertices of degree 1 in the tree. Okay, here we stop.